One of the core responsibilities of any API gateway is to secure your cluster. This may take the form of applying network encryption with MTLS, applying standards like OIDC to delegate external authorization decisions to platforms like Okta or Auth0 or Keycloak, applying authorization rules against policies managed by an open policy agent, filtering malicious requests with a web application firewall, or rate limiting to enforce usage quotas or to protect against denial of service attacks. Gloo Edge and Envoy provide facilities to support all of these security use cases. Moreover, you can specify all of these using declarative configurations in custom resources. So then Kubernetes controllers can take your security config declarations and apply them automatically to your application network. Consequently, wrestling with security frameworks to get the details just right and then struggling to reproduce that in a production deployment becomes a relic of the past. Gloo Edge gives you all the tools you need to secure your application network and to manage that configuration reliably across all deployment stages.